Hey there, Pam here with another episode of the Perfect Balance Kitchen Confidential. I just want to talk veg today because I know it's so hard for people to get veg in. One of my favorite tools is my air fryer. I don't know if we can actually get a good picture of this. It's zucchini and red onion. Now, I never really had a lot of that growing up. My mom didn't ever make, I don't think, zucchini or yellow squash. And whenever I've had it in restaurants, before, I was just kind of mushy and yucky. Oh my gosh, it's like grilling it, which is not that much more work, but doing it at home, I do a little Trader Joe's olive oil spray, salt and pepper, and it ends up being crispy, a little crispy and super delicious. I only do veg in here. It is so yummy. If you haven't tried it yet, I would highly recommend going out and getting an air fryer. Easy way, does not heat your kitchen up at all like an oven when it's really hot like it is right now where I live. Super easy way to make veg. Enjoy.